BMW X4 Repairs. Bayerische Motoren Werke AG, commonly referred to as BMW, is a German multinational corporate manufacturer of luxury vehicles and motorcycles headquartered in Munich, Bavaria, Germany. The 2022 BMW X4 is a luxury compact SUV that offers sporty styling, agile handling, and a range of premium features. Here are some of the key features that were available in the 2022 BMW X4. BMW X4 service typically includes routine maintenance and repairs to ensure the vehicle's optimal performance, safety, and longevity. Here are some common aspects of BMW X4 service. Oil change. Regular oil changes are essential for maintaining the engine's health and efficiency. The type and frequency of oil changes may vary based on the specific model and engine. Brake inspection and service. Brake components, including pads, rotors, and brake fluid, are inspected and serviced as needed to ensure proper braking performance. Tire rotation and alignment. Tire rotation helps ensure even tire wear, while alignment adjustments contribute to stable handling and steering. Fluid checks and top-ups. Fluid levels, including coolant, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid, are checked and topped up as necessary. Battery inspection. The condition of the vehicle's battery is inspected, and the terminals are cleaned. Battery replacement may be recommended if needed. Air filter replacement. The engine and cabin air filters are inspected and replaced when necessary to maintain air quality and engine efficiency. Inspection of belts and hoses. Belts and hoses are checked for wear and tear, and replacements are made if required. Spark plug replacement. Spark plugs may need replacement based on the vehicle's mileage and manufacturer recommendations. Suspension and steering system inspection. The suspension and steering components are inspected for wear, and repairs or replacements are performed as needed. Diagnostic check. Modern vehicles, including the BMW X4, often undergo diagnostic checks to identify and address any electronic or mechanical issues. Software updates. Updating the vehicle's software is important to ensure it has the latest features. Performance improvements and bug fixes. Safety recalls and campaigns. Any safety recalls or service campaigns issued by BMW are addressed during routine service visits. It's important to refer to the specific model year and maintenance schedule outlined in the BMW X4 Owner's Manual. Additionally, consulting with an authorized BMW service center or dealership will provide tailored recommendations based on the vehicle's individual needs. Regular maintenance helps keep the BMW X4 in optimal condition and minimizes the risk of unexpected issues.